Getting drunk, nigga, I don't even drink. Chopper on me, shooting niggas like it's brink. Too high, nigga, I can't even think. Eyes low, nigga, I don't even blink. Hell yeah, I get the bread, bitch, ka-ching. I can't fuck with niggas if they right.
Oh lord, I hate this.
Today
I'm gonna be posting brawl clips with my friends. It's not really clips, but you know, just funny moments. Funny moments, XD, hello. Anyway, let's go.
Like, bro, is that not a crazy statement?
What?
What? Like, really, I don't give a fuck about anything else she was posting. Crazy that she talking on your bitch. I'm worth it. What the fuck is you talking about? Like,
maybe she
did really be banking
mad cause I be fucking this bitch wrong.
Like she'll have on like a little crop top shirt on with some booty shorts. That's really draws for real. You get what I'm saying? But the bitch will make it look like short. You feel me? Like, bro, y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. That shit be having me overly mad, bro.
So you finna get hold?
Nah, as the man, you're supposed to just sit there and like be okay with it. Otherwise, you're insecure. Man, shut your bitch ass up. Nigga, no, bro. I be bad as fuck, bro. Fuck no, bro. I ain't gonna fuck away. Like. Boy, ain't no way you watching bootleg anime. Fuck up my mouth, nigga. Bro, chill.
This one Palestine girl is liking my post a little too much. Okay.
Nigga, fuck Palestine. Taking my fucking tax dollars. Nigga, fuck Iraq. Nigga, fuck, really fuck both of them.
And what you say, Messiah? Huh? I said, what you say?
Why are you saying it like that, nigga? Why you sound intimidating?
Why do I sound intimidating?
Yes, bro. You can say it in a nice, polite, Barney ass voice. You don't gotta say it like a hug, nigga.
Bruh, that was a polite voice. That was literally me being nice.
This nigga C said, I hope you post an entire sex tape, but I get banned for posting weed. Let me get my hammer and see what happens to you.